हेलो किड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे डबल्स एडिशन मतलब दो सेम डिजिट को कैसे ऐड करते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट. 1 + 1, one finger up plus one finger up. How many fingers? Two fingers. Two finger up plus two finger up. It means total four fingers. Three finger up plus three finger up. That is total six fingers. Four finger up plus four finger. How many fingers? Eight fingers. Five finger up. Again five finger up. How many fingers? Total fingers? 10 fingers. Six finger up. Six finger up. How many total fingers? 12 fingers. Seven finger up. Again seven finger up. How many total? 14 fingers. Eight finger up plus eight finger up. How many total fingers? 16 fingers. Nine finger up, again nine finger up. How many total fingers? 18 fingers. 10 finger up plus 10 finger up. How many total? 20 fingers. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel. मिलती हूँ kids मैं आपसे next video में. तब तक के लिए bye bye, take care.